Hello, this is my Ghostling, and today I'm going to be talking to you about painting on canvas with gouache. So, actually, this is my first time, but here is what I learned. Tip number one, make it tilted because it will be easier for you to look back to your paintings when you are done or when you are tired. Tip number two, make a base color because when painting with gouache, it will be better to have all the white blocked out before it gets too late. Oh, and watch out for dripping paint because if you're using a tilted canvas, then the paint will drip. So, the only solution to that is use more pigment and less water. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, but yesterday on 11th of December was my birthday, and I had plans on painting it on my birthday, but I couldn't because I was too very busy with my schedules. And I had my friend send me some gifts, so I'll be also showing that to you right now. So she gave me some things, some handmade gifts actually related to my YouTube channel, and I really like those and I really appreciate them. These are so cute, especially the share one, and you should do what this one says. And here comes my favorite one. It's my channel name written, and I really love them. Thank you, my bestie, for sending those gifts. And now, tip number three, let it dry because on canvases and especially on gouache paintings you should let the paints dry because paints dry completely differently than what you think they will like, because when they are activated with water they will look really shiny, but when they are dry they can change their appearances, like black might dry lighter than white, and that's some problem that a lot of artists will face. And now, moving on to tip number four, the background. And actually, this one is something that you can use if you want or you cannot, and it is actually to paint the background. And this is because painting the background darker will make your portrait look lighter, or maybe painting your background lighter will make your portraits look darker. And now, wrapping up this video, did you enjoy it? Comment below. And oh, you should also listen to what this says.